Your mind is fighting a battle every single day. The enemy isn't a person, it's your screen. Every swipe steals a little more of your attention. Every scroll weakens your inner warrior. The algorithm doesn't want your happiness, it wants your time. Ancient warriors face swords. Today we fight endless notifications. Every notification is like a sudden low kick. If you react automatically, you lose balance. A true fighter doesn't panic. He breathes, observes, then responds. Discipline is built one decision at a time, not one giant victory, one ignored notification, one small victory for your mind. Attention is your greatest weapon. Protect it like a championship belt. Kun Khmer teaches rhythm. Life also has its own rhythm. Break the dopamine loop. Replace it with purposeful action. Train your attention like your muscles. Every day makes you stronger. Silence isn't empty. It's where clarity is born. Master your breath. Master your emotions. Every focused minute compounds. Distraction compounds too. Warriors train even when nobody is watching. That is real strength. The strongest opponent is often inside your own mind. Every moment of awareness is another round won. Fight for your dreams, not for another meaningless scroll. The warrior's greatest victory is complete control over himself. Become the master of your attention. Fight like a Kun Khmer warrior and reclaim your life.